Understanding Intersection Observer API. The Intersection Observer API allows you to asynchronously observe changes in the intersection of a target element with an ancestor element or with a viewport. Set up a callback function to be executed whenever a target element intersects with either the device's viewport or a specified element. How to use Intersection Observer API. You can set up a callback function to change the background color of a div when it's visible in the viewport. Real-world applications of Intersection Observer API. One of the most common uses of the Intersection Observer API is lazy loading of images or other content. This improves performance by only loading content when it's needed.